Hey, welcome back to the channel. So we're a few hours away from a pretty good storm, and I've always heard that the time before a storm is some pretty good fishing. So I don't know, it's something about the barometric pressure. We are gonna see if that's the case today. I'm gonna grab the crappie pole with some Bobby Garland jigs and head down and see how many crappie we can catch. See if that's true, see if these crappie are biting better because there's a storm coming in. All right, let's get to fishing. Oh yeah, we're on. We're on. Not sure what it is, but we're on. It looks like a small crappie. All right, first storm fish is a small crappie. That didn't take long. Hopefully this keeps happening. Oh, I think we're on. I think we're on. Could be storm fish number 2. That feels like a little better one. Another little crappie. Second storm fish, second crappie. Not too bad. Oh yeah, we're on. Must have got that one on the fall. We are on. He's either coming at me or he's little. Not bad, about the same as the other ones. Storm crappie number 3. Oh yeah, that's got to be the secret there. That's a decent one. It's pulling some drag. Yeah, he's coming at me. Oh, bluegill. What the heck? All right, first storm bluegill. Oh yeah. That one's, he's a fighter. Another crappie. Another crappie. There we go. This one feels even bigger. That's a decent crappie there. That there would be what a guy would want to keep. That's a good crappie. Oh yeah, here we go. Game on. Another crappie. Oh yeah, we're on. All right, here's another one. I don't know how many that is, but looking at the camera, it's been on for 17 minutes. So however many fish we've caught in 17 minutes. Pretty sure that these things are really hitting for this storm. So let's go up and talk about why this happens. All right, let's go over why fish bite better before a storm. One of the biggest reasons is the falling barometric pressure. Fish have a gas-filled organ called a swim bladder that helps them with their buoyancy. Changes in the barometric pressure affect their swim bladder, which makes the fish more active and makes them feed more. Fish are also very sensitive to weather change. Many species of fish feed heavily before a storm. Number 3 is reduced light levels. Many predatory fish like bass and crappie, they prefer low light levels. It gives them an advantage when it comes to finding prey and consuming prey. 4 is increased winds. Winds tend to push plankton and other bait fish up against wind-blown banks. Predatory fish like bass and crappie know this. They will focus their feeding and their time in those wind-blown banks. And 5 is oxygen and water movement. Pre-storm winds can move water, creating oxygen in the water, which makes the fish more active and more apt to feed and more apt to be predatory. These 5 things contribute to make fishing before a storm really enjoyable and very successful. I know it's not ideal to try to get out on the water right before it rains. If you can get out there 6 to 12 hours before a storm, you can have a lot of success. Hey, thanks for watching the video to this far. I do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got something out of it. We got to get this thing wrapped up before the storm gets here. If you enjoy hunting and fishing videos, click that subscribe button. There's plenty more coming. If you like this video, please click that like button. That helps the logarithm push this video out and get more people to see it, and I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.